Dear students and learners, a warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So today's video lecture is about movie review of Three Idiots. So this question of movie review will come in your board examination, 12th board examination on question number 4D1. So you will have three options in question number 4D, that is 1, 2, 3, and you will have to decide what you need to attempt. So if you are going to attempt this question on movie review, that will come on question number 4D1 in your 12th board examination. So this video lecture is for you. Now let's see the question. Before starting the video lecture, let me tell you the distribution of marks for this question. So this question of movie review will come for 4 marks, and these 4 marks are divided into 3 parts. First part is presentation of the theme or storyline, that will give you 2 marks. More weightage of marks is given on presentation of the theme or storyline because this will give you 2 marks. Technical and unique aspects of your answer will give you 1 mark, and overall presentation of your answer will give you 1 mark. So in this way, these 4 marks are divided into 3 parts. Let's see a general question, or you can call it an ideal question. Question will be like, write a review of a film that you have recently watched based on any 4 of the following points. So there are 6 points and you have to pick any 4 points, like names of the characters, main and supporting roles, about the story or theme of the story, and this point will give you 2 marks. So you will have to write this point in your answer. Why did you like or not like the movie? Special features, novelties or novel ideas. Novelties means new ideas. Novel ideas means new ideas. Music, dance, song, action, direction. Should others watch this movie? Would you recommend your friends to enjoy watch this? Why? Now let's see movie review of Three Idiots. So the first point is names of the characters, main and supporting roles. You need to write the characters in the film are not too many. Main as well as supporting characters could easily be memorized. The leading characters in the film are Rancho. In bracket, you will have to mention the real name of the character, that is Amir Khan. Farhan means R. Madhavan. Raju means Sharman Joshi. Pia means Kareena Kapoor. Dr. Veeru Shastrabuddhi, that is Boman Irani. And Chatur Ramalingam, that is Umi Vaidya. Other supporting actors also played their role effectively. Some of them are Mr. Qureshi, Parikshit Sani, Mrs. Rastogi, Amardeep Jha, Mr. Rastogi, Mukund Bhatt, Ranchod Das, Shamak Das Chanchad, that is Javed Jafri, the real Rancho, Joy Lobo, Ali Fazal, and young Manmohan, nicknamed Millimeter, that is Rahul Kumar, etc. So these are the main and supporting characters of the movie. Now let's see another point, the most important point of your answer, that is about the movie, about the story and theme of the film. So the story revolves around 3 collegians or youngsters who defy the conventional and outdated attitude towards life in particular and education in general. The conventional faulty system of education with all its defects is represented mainly by Rancho and his friend Farhan. They even try to convince their friend Raju not to study in typical manner and try to learn via innovative methods. Veeru Shastrabuddhi, who is the principal of an engineering college, is highly conventional and hates every kind of innovations. He just tries to assert into the mind of his students to be the best in studies and get good jobs. His views are shared by Chatur, called Silencer, who is a bookworm and hates taking risk in life. Rancho believes in learning more from life and people than from the classrooms and books. He takes side of innovations and taking risks. At last, he makes his friends to go after excellence, and all of them become successful in their fields. I'm sure you must have watched this movie Three Idiots. So you can easily write the film review of Three Idiots. Let's see another point. Why did you like or not like the movie? So this is a very common answer, and you can write in any answer. Any film review, if you are writing, you can easily copy paste this. I like the movie Three Idiots as it is very humorous and teaches us to pursue what we like and understand most. We should not participate in the general rat race, rather, we should run after excellence and not success. If we follow this, success will come to us. Fourth point is the special features, novelties, or novel ideas. Rancho, who is very innovative, does the delivery of the principal's elder daughter by using an electronic equipment, vacuum cleaner. He uses many electrical equipments, and his brilliance. Being a college student, he is highly talented and makes electrical instruments like inverter and drone camera. Let's see another point: music, dance, song, action, direction. The music to the film is given by Shantanu Moitra. The dance direction is of Avid Das. The songs are composed by Swanand Kirkire. Rajkumar Hirani successfully directed the film. Now let's see the most important point. Another most important point after storyline. Should others watch this movie? Would you recommend your friends to watch this film? Why? Definitely everyone must watch this movie. There are many good messages conveyed through this movie. For instance, the first class photographer is more respectable than an engineer who gets good salary. We should work for our satisfaction and not only to get job or money. Life offers opportunities to all. There is always room for fresh ideas and innovation. So that's all about the film review of Three Idiots. So if a question will come on any movie that you have recently watched, you can easily write the film review of Three Idiots if you have watched this movie. So I hope you have got whatever I have taught you in this short video, and if you have any question regarding this particular video lecture, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. I am your digital teacher, Hina Kausar. Thank you so much for supporting me and loving the channel. Keep supporting me, keep loving the channel. Thank you so much.